It has a hooded neckline. It has a cowl neckline. It's also a crop top and it is backless. Join me as I show you how I made this top. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, I know. I missed you guys too. So today we're going to be doing an interesting we're going to be dealing on how to make this this hooded cowl neck top, and it's a crop top, okay, with a tie at the back. So let us start. The crop top also has a basque neck waistline. So let's begin. So now we're going to be measuring so we're going to be taking our measurement. You measure, show my head now. So you're going to be taking your measurement from like the center. You know, we're making a hooded top, so you're going to taking a measurement of the center from the center of your head to the back neckline, and which gives us about 16 inches. So we'll now transfer the measurement to this point, to this place. Now our lace, we're using a lace fabric, okay, and we have already folded the side. We've already folded it by half inch, and we are putting it on fold now, as you can see. Okay, so now after doing this, we now take our measurement. Okay, so this is 16. So we're going to be marking 16 inches from this edge, right, to this place. Okay, 16 inches, right. Now we are going to sew in. We're going to get, of course, to get our curve. You know, of course our head is curved now, so we'll get our curve. We're going to curve to get our hooded curve. Okay, so we're curving in by 9 inches. All right, then you can decide to use your French curve. I personally would curve in like so. Okay, okay, so we're curving in like this, so you can see it's curved this way. So we're going to be sewing this now. So when we sew this, then we'll come back and let you know how, as we're going to continue with our tutorial. Okay, so now we've curved it in, and we've sewn our curve, so you can see our hood neck. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking our measurements. Measurement of the center of your head to this nape, to the nape of your neck. Okay, and we're getting about 13 inches. Okay, so we now transfer that measurement to this point, but at this point we are transferring it. So at this point we are transferring it diagonally. Okay, diagonally. Just follow me. Diagonally. Okay, so after we've done this, okay, so now from the nape of your neck, we're now measuring it straight up, okay, to the half length, right? So now we're measuring it to the half length, and the half length is, we're using 16 inches. Okay, so after we've gotten this, sorry, so so this is our half length. Okay, after we've gotten this, we now have to get our waistline and our bust line. Okay, so now the waistline I'm using here is 36 inches. Okay, that's 9, and I'm keeping a 1-inch allowance. Okay, so that's it. The bust, so the bust line I'm using is 42 inches. That's 10.5. Then I'm also keeping a half-inch allowance, so a 1-inch allowance. So I'm slanting it, so it's going to be this way. And I'm using a 5-inch distance from the waist to the upper part. All right, so this is 5 inches. So now at this point now, we want to connect our hood, the back of our hooded top, straight to this point. Okay, like so. This is where our hooded top stopped. All right, so this is where our hood stopped. We'll keep 1/2 inch for joining, for sewing. Then we'll now connect straight down to this point. Remember why? Because the dress is backless. The top is a backless top. All right, so we connect straight like this, connect like this, right? Then remember, the top has a basque bottom, a basque waistline. So our basque is going to be 5 inches deep. So we take it like so. So this is how it looks. This way, then you connect and you connect to the head. So we are going to cut and we will show you how we are going to how it's going to turn out. Okay, so now we cut. So this is how it looks now, right? Now let me show you how it's going to be worn. So you can see, you just put it in this way, right? Okay, then you take we're going to tie it at the back. So we're going to attach a rope to the sides, and this is how the top is going to be. So we're going to show you when we're done, we're going to show you. Okay, is it centered now? Right? Okay, so this is how the top is going to be, right? So it's a hooded top, but it has a cowl neckline and a basque waistline, right? And we're going to tie it at the back because it's backless. So stay tuned while we show you the finishing. Okay, guys, so I figured that the measurements, as in the chalking on the lace, may not be so clear, so I decided to do it on paper. So remember, you fold your fabric this way, okay? Now it's preferable for it to be a fabric that is by 60. Okay, hold it this way, right? Measure 8 or 9 inches, right? Then get your hooded curve, your hooded neck, your hooded pattern. Okay, curve it in by 8 or 9 inches, right, to get your hooded pattern. Okay, measure, keep your tape this way diagonally to get this measurement is the measurement from the center of your head to the nape of your neck by the side. That's 13 inches, right? Then come here and get your measurements, your under bust measurements, which is 14 inches. I added half inch for sewing. Okay, now take it 5 inches up. Get your waistline. My waistline, I'm using 36 inches and I'm adding 1 inch for allowance. Let me add half inch because that's the half inch I used to, half or 1 inch anyway, that I used to attach the rope. Okay, then the bust, the 5 inches up, you measure your bust, which is, this is 42 here. I'm adding 1 inch so that the bust will cover the bust well, since it's backless. Okay, then you slant from here to there. Okay, remember 5 inches up, don't forget, 5 inches up, slant. Okay, so when you slant from here to there, you slant from here to there. Oh, sorry. Okay, then from this point you now connect to the back of the hooded top, as in the back of the hooded pattern. So from the 5 inch, you now connect the back of the hood, and that's it. By the time you open it, by the time you cut it, it will give you the same pattern that we got on our lace. All right, why this is short, this connection is short because the brown paper is short. But when you do it on a by 60, a lace or a fabric that is by 60, it will give you a longer thing because it's backless. So this is how we connect.
Guys, so this is the outcome. Right. So
thank
lovely.
You for watching.
One by
I'm going to show you the
ladies.
finished outcome.
So thank you for watching.
Thank you,
and see you in another video. Bye.